This is one of the delicious meals I made from my SunBasket food subscription. In this video, I will go into some of the details of SunBasket, and I'll show you an unboxing and the 2 meals that I ordered. Welcome to Artsy Cupcake. I'm so happy you're here. My name's Maria, and I give helpful tips on the art of life, home, health, and style. So you will see reviews and fashion lookbooks and unboxings and recipe videos, along with all kinds of other ways to inspire you to make life the best it can be. So I have tried SunBasket several times, as well as some other food subscription companies. SunBasket is a food subscription box that you can get delivered to your front door for 2 to 4 people. You get to choose the meal plan that you're on and the schedule that the food arrives. So you can choose to pause your subscription if you're going out of town, or you can switch from one meal plan and you can do 3 meals a week or as often as you like. A few of the meal plans they offer are paleo, lean and clean, gluten-free, vegetarian, vegan, and quick and easy. It comes out to around $12 per serving, and they do choose ingredients from respected farmers, ranchers, and fishermen. I like that they support these organic farmers and they give clean ingredients in all their recipes. They have so many yummy recipes to choose from. It's a really great variety no matter which plan you're on. When you receive your box, there is a booklet inside with all the recipes that you have available to you. So I only ordered 2 recipes, but I have the booklet with all the recipes to make the others, which I think is a great bonus. Now, I won't have the ingredients pre-portioned and delivered to my door for the other recipes, but I can create all of those on my own. So I wanted to start with a little unboxing so that you can see how well insulated the package arrives at your doorstep. It is a large box. It had a little ding in it, but nothing inside is damaged. There is eco-friendly paper, and everything needed for each meal is individually packaged and labeled. I got the smoky turkey chili with butternut squash and watercress, and the spicy barbacoa pulled pork sliders with apple slaw. At the bottom of the box is an ice pack to keep the meats cold. The bag for the smoky turkey chili had a bunch of watercress, organic cilantro, organic butternut squash, an onion, and tomato paste already portioned out. There was a lime and the smoky chili spice blend. These were the ingredients that came in the bag for the spicy barbacoa pulled pork sliders. A bag of organic green cabbage, organic red radishes, pickled jalapenos, a lemon, 1 Granny Smith apple, chipotle barbacoa glaze, and 4 slider buns. I want to show you how easy the recipe was to make with these pre-portioned ingredients. I will just be showing you the chili recipe, but I will add an image of the sliders so that you can see how good they looked too. For the smoked turkey chili with butternut squash and watercress, I first had to prep some ingredients such as coarsely chopping the onion and trimming the watercress. Then I heated a little olive oil, the onions, and the smoky chili spice blend packet. I stirred until the onions were softened about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, I added the turkey and salt and pepper until the turkey was browned. Then I added the butternut squash, which was already cut into cubes, the tomato paste, and 2 cups of water, and I cooked this until it came to a boil and the squash was tender. This took about 6 or 7 minutes. The final step was to remove the chili from the heat and stir in the watercress. I garnished with lime wedges on the side and sliced an onion and cilantro for the top. I served this with a piece of bread. It was really good, and I did not normally use squash in my chili, and it was a little spicier than I normally make it, So it was fun to try a different chili recipe like this one. Here is how the spicy barbacoa pulled pork sliders with applesauce turned out. I would say I enjoyed this recipe even more than the chili. The pork was already cooked and seasoned. All I had to do was heat it up in the pan and chop and mix up the ingredients for the slaw. It was so easy and really tasty. I hope you enjoyed this review of SunBasket, and I hope it was helpful if you're interested in trying this type of service out. I put a link to SunBasket in the description box below, and if you aren't already part of the Artsy Cupcake Crew, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more fun videos. I'm trying to build a positive community, and I would love to get to know you, so make sure to leave a like and a comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.